Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to update your profile and shop information on the Etsy app. So in order to do this procedure, you have to first of all open up your Etsy app and log into your account. And it's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. While you're on this page, go ahead and tap the profile icon from the top right hand side and go to account settings. As you click on account settings, it's going to show you this information. So here you could go ahead and make changes with your information, such as your edit public profile, location, your password, and all that. And likewise, you can move on to the next step like security, public profile, privacy, address, and all that. And accordingly, when you're done with this procedure, then you can go to your shop manager. And here as well, you could go ahead and enter in your information such as shop preferences, move on with naming your shop, and now stock your shop and all that. You could go through it, and accordingly you could go ahead and update your profile and in your Etsy app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.